Hello students, in this video let's learn our next poem, Piping Down the Valleys Wild. This poem was written by William Blake. The poet was an English painter also. He was very much interested in painting and he was very fond of children. So let's move to the poem now. So in this picture you can see a man using a pipe. So this is the pipe. So I'll show you one more picture. So this is the pipe with which you can play a music. Okay, so it's a wind instrument. By blowing the air inside here, you can use this instrument. Okay, so first stanza. Piping down the valleys wild, piping songs of pleasant glee. On a cloud I saw a child, and he laughing said to me. So this is the first stanza, piping down the valleys wild, piping songs of pleasant glee. So the poet, he was playing the music, piping down the valley. So what's a valley? So I'll show you the picture. So this V-shaped structure, okay, in between the two mountains you have a place now that is called valley. Okay, so usually river used to run through this valley. Okay, so this is the valley through which the poet was playing the music in the pipe, and he was blowing, piping songs of pleasant glee. So pleasant glee means happiness. So he was happily playing the pipe and he was going. On a cloud I saw a child, and he laughing said to me. So that time he saw a child in the cloud. Okay, so he was seeing a child on the cloud, and the child was laughing, and he said something to the poet. So what he said, let's see in the next stanza. Pipe a song about a lamp. So I piped with merry cheer. Piper piped that song again. So I piped, he wept to hear. So what the child said, you pipe a song about a lamp. Lamp means the young one of the sheep, no? So that lamp, about that you have to pipe a song. The child requested the poet. So he piped with merry cheer. So very happily the poet also piped the song. Then again piper piped that song again. The child asked one more time for the same song. You pipe the song once again. So I piped, he wept to hear. So after hearing the music, the child wept. Wept meaning is cry. Okay, out of laughter, out of happiness, the child started to cry. Okay, by hearing the song, the child cried. Drop the pipe, the happy pipe. Sing the song of happy cheer. So I sang the same again, while he wept with joy to hear. So now again the child is asking for one more request. What it is? Drop the pipe. See, the meaning is your. Okay, drop means leave the pipe, and you sing the song. Okay, the same song you have to sing with words. So what the poet did, he also sang with a very happy mood. Okay, he sang the song for the child, and the child again he cried with joy. Okay, laughing, the child was getting tears. Okay, next stanza. Piper, sit thee down and write in a book that all may read. So he vanished from my sight, and I plucked a hollow reed. Next, what the child is telling, Piper, you sit down and write. Okay, write a book. So he wants the song to be written in a book so that others may also read. Okay, this is the request given by the child. So what the poet is doing, he pluck a hollow reed. Okay, so after telling this request, the child vanished. Vanished means disappear. He disappeared from the cloud. Okay, out of my sight. Sight means from the vision. From the vision of the poet, the child is disappeared. Okay, then the poet plucked the hollow reed. So reed meaning is hollow stem of the plant. Okay, so this is the reed. Okay, this like a from in the grass and all, if you take and see, it will be like a pipe. Okay, it will be hollow. Hollow means what? Empty inside. That is called hollow. So it will be like a pipe like structure only. So this the poet plucked from the field. Okay, then and I made a rural pen, and I stained the water clear, and I wrote my happy songs, every child may joy to hear. So then what the poet is doing, he made his own rural pen. Okay, not the usual pen we are using. He with that reed he made a pen. So this reed is there, no, R-E-E-D. So this he plucked from the ground and he made this as his pen. Okay, making this as pen, he filled water inside as ink. Okay, so he filled it with water and he started to write the happy songs so that every child may enjoy to hear. So he want everybody in future to hear his song and enjoy. Okay, that's a poem. So let's see the meaning here. Valley, the low land lying between hills or mountains, often with a river flowing through it. That's called valley. Pipe, a musical instrument with holes played by blowing. Piping, playing on the pipe. Merry, joyous. Cheer, state of hope and gladness. Glad also, happy only. Okay. Wept, shed tears. Die, your. Thee, you. Vanish, disappear. Pluck, pull away. Glee, feeling very happy. Reed, hollow stem of a plant. To celebrate, to praise. Joy, rejoice. Okay, these are the hard words in this poem. So I want you children to read the poem and enjoy. With this, I'll wind up this video. Thank you, children.